How to accept a friend request on Discord. To begin, what you're going to want to do is be on the Discord app. And then from here, on the left-hand side underneath your server browser, go all the way to the top where it says Direct Messages. Go ahead and click on that. And then from there, it'll open up a list of options on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on the Friends tab. I myself am already clicked on the Friends tab. And then from here, you'll notice on top, there are a bunch of other tabs that we can also select on, such as Online, All, Pending, Blocked, and Add Friend. In order to view any friend requests that we have sent in to us, those will all come in underneath the Pending tab. As you can see here, noted by the 1, which is highlighted in red. Go ahead and click on that. And after you've done that, it will show you any pending friend requests that you have. To accept the friend request, 2 ways to go about it. You could 1, click on the green accept check mark at the end of the friend request on the pending tab, or another way to go about this is to click on the username, and then it will pop open a window with the user info, mutual servers, and mutual friends that you may share with this individual. You can also use this to do a little bit more digging on information about the individual before you accept their friend request. So then, of course, you can always go ahead and click the accept friend request there option as well. So I will do this in this window. Now that I've accepted the friend request, I can now send them a message or click out of it, and you'll now notice that they appear in your direct messages. So that is how you accept a friend request in Discord. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any video ideas or comments or questions, please leave those down in the comment section below. Thank you, and have a nice day.